All right, so I got a pro tip for when you're trying to measure out thick stuff like honey or like peanut butter. Add a little bit of oil to like your measuring utensil. I'm using this here. Add like a little bit of oil. Oh, that was a lot. Spread it around. That was a lot of oil. Hold on, let me pour that out. So spread it around like with your finger or napkin, depending on how like you get down, you know. Depends on how you get down. And then, wipe it on your shorts. Get an apron if you're really worried. And then you could just put it in there as you normally would. And I promise it's gonna slide right out. Look there. Look at there. And it'll all come out too. I'm gonna add a little more just so y'all can see the vibes. Check me out. So you put it in there. Look at this. Look at this. Hold on. It come right out. It's a vibe. Hey, don't say you don't learn nothing on my YouTube, on my Instagram, cause you just learned something right then. And it come right out. You can do that with peanut butter. You can do that with honey. Anything thick. Anything you like, mayonnaise or whatever. A little bit of oil, or you can do like cooking oil, like spray that on there. It's gonna come right out. And you ain't never gotta like waste none, or you gotta put your finger in and you ain't gotta do none of that. So you good to go. And you just, continue with minding your business and doing things the way you wanna do them. I'm gonna try to give y'all some like informational stuff every now and then about how I cook, how I get things done and make it go a little faster. But we got lobster corn dogs. Nothing else needs to be said. Lobster corn dogs. I'm making those today, so stay tuned.